So what do you guys think of the air show so far?
Look at this.
Yeah.
The bird? That's pretty cool. Are they going to come out the other side? Yes. Yeah.
And it took us just 3 hours to get here.
But we got here for free.
Yeah.
That's the difference. They'll come back eventually. Half an hour maybe. 2 years. Oh, there's so many people down there.
It would be funny if they target
This is a good view. This is a good view. We can see everything from here.
Yeah. I see that.
I think there's a plane up there somewhere. Where?
I can hear it.
That's good. That's good. Whoa. I'm just trusting that this shows up on the real screen because I can't see it on this one.
Yeah, me neither.
But they're big enough, so it probably will. When it's much bigger. That was cool. Are they above our heads?
Oh, a boat.
That looks like a boat
They're
train.
taking a boat.
It looks like a boat train.
A boat bus.
Everybody died. Where are they? Where are they? I don't know where they are. They're somewhere up there. Let's go to the other side now. We probably missed the last bit of it.
It is.
I'm not turning my camera off again, I don't think.
Is it possible to get on the island and then to the waterfront without being charged?
Yeah, because you can go across there.
Security guard over there.
You can go across there and then just walk around, I think. Boat train.
He's not.
It's a that's not a hippo. I've seen hippos on TV. That's not a hippo. I think you're
And
lying.
it says the hippest way to see Toronto.
Oh, that's funny. Where's Fabian? He likes that.
But do you see the slogan on the thing?
Some Top Gun music.
The slogan on the boat.
Down there.
Isn't that the hippest way to see Toronto?
Oh dear.
Quality stuff.
Oh, he's going in and out of them. Oh, that was cool. I really hope you saw that. Oh. Yeah, I think it's time to actually qualify for my driver's license, maybe. You know, I've taken a few lessons before. I think I got the hang of it. But they're driving on the wrong side of the road.
You gotta drive on the left.
It turned itself off again. This stupid camera. I missed the best shot of the day. They were flying in perfect formation, just across. And my camera turned itself off in the middle. Ah!
The heavy metal jet team.
Woo! He is actually coming in close. Okay. Whoa. That's cool. Do a barrel roll. Wow.
So low.
Is he going to go under a bridge? Oh, there's another one.
Oh, 16 gig is a lot. I think that's not even part of the Airshow.
No, you sure?
Yeah, pretty sure.
He's not going to do a loop-the-loop.
It would be so cool if you do it just to fit in, you know?
He's feeling left out.
Yeah, everybody on the plane, all the passengers, they would be so scared. distance.
That'd be so amazing though.
Yeah, that would be amazing.
Oh wow. He's just spinning like crazy. Is he upside? He's upside down as well.
Upside down for a
Oh my god. Wow.
That must be so much
You
fun.
must have so
It's
much
just so
fun.
incredible.
Yeah. The adrenaline must be insane of that.
Insane to be in there. It must be so
That's so crazy.
Oh, he's up again. This is definitely the best spot I think we've had all
Yeah.
day. Oh man. That's insane.
Find a soft spot, something that fits.
Putting your glass.
Oh! He's just hovering. He's hovering. What the hell? That was amazing. Oh.
It's upside down.
What? Upside down above the water. Oh man.
So sick.
Oh, where did he go? Oh, there he is. Whoa. That's a lady pilot.
The kid's flying it is only 10 years old.
Really? You're gonna keep saying that now?
Well, we've been talented. And fearless.
They gonna do the same stunts again?
There's just a limited number of stunts possible.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. It looks so graceful. Whoa.
That's an F-18.
Yeah.
Think so? Is that an F-18?
Yeah, he just announced it.
Yeah, but that,
You have to know
And can you confirm
you should
for
have
us?
confirmed the types of the other planes also. So
Yeah.
it's just not enough to say, okay, that's an F-18.
The other one, the huge one,
Yeah.
that was from the Canadian one.
Yeah, what was it? It wasn't a B-52, so it was B-2 or something?
No, it was Beacon Air.
What?
BUCC.
You're gonna fly up. Oh, there it is. Oh! He's upside down. He's upside down. That's clutch control. Sorry if you're wearing headphones.
Sorry if you're already headphones.
I probably just broke your speakers.